Hello, welcome back. Today I thought we'd go and have a look at a job I've been meaning to do for quite a while. We're in lockdown here in the UK. I mean, it's 14th of April today. I've been in lockdown since the 12th of February, so it's been quite a while for me. But it's a beautiful day, nice and sunny out there, and there's a little job that I need to do. So I thought I would try and kill two birds with one stone, to be honest. I'm filming on the GoPro 6 Black. Which I bought. I think I bought it in second hand in October last year. Reason I bought it was I had another old action camera which I took out to film a few things last year, and the footage was absolutely dreadful. Stabilization was all over the place, the fisheye effect, the colors, and the whole thing turned out absolutely atrocious, and it was a real shame. Now then, here's the viewing screen. Oh, what's that? I think it was whitetail, I think. Here's the viewing screen. Hear that screeching then? Some sort of a bird of prey. He stopped now. Atrocious, and it was a real shame. Because I wanted to document my trip out that day. So anyway, that turned out to be a hopeless mess, and so I bought the GoPro, did my research, and I bought this GoPro Black, GoPro 6 Black. Which had the stabilization, had pretty much everything I wanted. The stabilization was good, so it should be, and the colors were good, image quality was good. Not perfect, but good. Problem was I never got a chance to use it. By the time I'd actually received it, the weather had turned awful. So pretty much rained every day from October through to January, and then what happens? We go into this lockdown. So I'm going to use this this GoPro now to just document this little job I'm going to do out the back here, and so let's go and have a look at that, and I'll show you what it's all about. Puss down there on his dinner. So hopefully the stabilization's a lot better than the other one was. Here's the job. So we had these old half wood edging in here, and that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing I'm going to do, I think I want to actually keep some of these ferns that have grown out here wild, but I like ferns. So I'm going to keep those. I'm going to dig those out. Then I'm going to pull this out. Hopefully that's pretty solid there to retain this edge. I'm hoping not to disturb that too much. Then I'm going to dig down a little channel on the edge here, not deep, just enough to flatten it, so I can put these in. Now I'm not going to concrete them in. I could use a dry concrete mix, something like 3 parts sand, 1 part cement. I've done that before, but I'm not going to do that right now because I don't have the sand. I might have some cement around, but I don't have the sand. And so all I'm going to do right now is to flatten this out, place them in, knock them down with a rubber mallet, put some earth in between, leave about a centre in between them, and get some earth in between it and natural growth, natural plants and such like should seal those together, and we'll see how that works. So that's the plan. Right, so first thing to do is to get these ferns up and remove the remnants of this old edging, which should be quite easy. Cat decided to help and peed right in the middle. It's very nice of him. Thank you, Mr. Cat. Right, so I've managed to get 3 nice ferns out of there. It's a nice big one. All its fruits on it. Another one. Another. We've got a nice little trench. So I've dug him out there with a fork. We'll just finish it off. I'll try to tap the stones down. There you go. Smooth this down. As flat as I can. Just lay them down roughly. We'll just lay them down and see how it looks, and then we can rearrange as necessary. Right then, we're just finishing off. What to do? I have clay soil, so this will work fine for me. Put the soil in between all the slabs, and I know that this will eventually start to bind. We'll just wrap. So in conclusion, how did the GoPro 6 Black hold up? I thought it works out very well actually. I paid $150 $159, I think, for this second hand. Today, if you want to buy a new GoPro, you'll be paying around about £300. So I think, you know, and you're not missing out on a lot between the 6 and the 8, arguably, but it's got all the important stuff that I want. It's got the image stabilization, it's got a good image, it's got the de-fisheye effect, so you can turn the fisheye off. And all in all, it does produce a really good video, perfect for what I want. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. To my way of thinking, I saved £150. That can't be bad, can it? Okay, well, that's it for this one. So hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, subscribe, all that business, and I'll see you on the next one.